Hey, what's going on everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to Technoid. It has been a minute since I've done a video. And also, it's been a while since I've seen you guys. Welcome back everybody. I hope you're having an excellent day. Today we've got a brand new review, which I want to thank Soundpeats for being a part of the Technoid show once again. They are back and they bring another headphone to the channel. And I am of course talking about the Soundpeats PearlClip Pro. These are their brand new version of their open ear design, which is a new design, which are these clip-on open ear headphones that are now starting to make its way into the mass market, and a lot of people are picking up on these designs. And with that being said, I want to talk about it. I want to take a look and see if these are worth the price tag, because I gotta tell you, after using them for several weeks, which they were kind enough to send out before the review, I gotta tell you, these things were actually a very good experience. And I would argue that for open ear headphones, these don't sound like open ear headphones. They sound very good. But before we get to that, let's talk about the headphones themselves. Taking a look at the details, the charging case is in this nice little pill-shaped design, has a pairing button in the front of it, which also shows the LED emitter. When you open the headphones, they are displayed very nicely. I got the matte black color, which is actually the best color in my opinion. These do have a nice rubber grip that helps to stay into your ears when you put them in. And of course, when you do put them in, they do lock into place by using the ergonomics of your ear, so that way they're not rocking all over the place. Now, me personally, I've never been a big fan of these open earbuds, but recently QCY and other brands have been doing it. But I gotta say, Soundpeats has done a very good job of making theirs stand out, where this one has more grip and feels more sturdy. Another thing to talk about is also the direction of the sound. Because these are open ear, obviously it's not going to be able to do any active noise canceling or have any noise isolation. But it does direct the sound directly into your ear canal and even around the shape of your ear, so that way you can still hear the music everywhere. But other than that, I mean, the shape of it and the feel of it is pretty good. Would I say I would take these to work out? I don't know. I have to try it out. I never attempted to, because personally I don't kind of want to, because, you know, I don't want to break these, but I'll give them a shot and then I'll see where they go from there. But now we got that out of the way, let's take a look at the tech specs, because these are where the headphones really shine. And I gotta say, Soundpeats has done a very good job with the tech spec. So taking a look real quickly, essentially these have a nice 6-hour playtime. Because there's no active noise canceling or transparency, you can get 6 hours, and with the charging case, you can achieve up to 18 hours and even almost 24 hours with charge time. You can also get 18 hours with a quick 10-minute charge, which gives you 2 hours. On top of that, it has Bluetooth 5.4, multi-point connection, so you can connect it to more than one device and it will switch to whichever device is playing audio. On top of that, it does have the app support, which we'll get to. And inside the headphones, it does contain 2 microphones and a 12mm dual magnetic driver, and it is also featuring dynamic EQ. This is actually a very cool feature. I love the dynamic EQ. I think that the dynamic EQ does a great job of enhancing the sound, which we're about to get to. But all in all, when it comes to the tech specs, it's got the best up to date. And honestly, I forget that these things have 18 hours of charge in the battery case with 6 hours, because these things last me and I have yet to charge it still. So not bad. But now we get to the sound quality. Now, again, with open earbuds, you're not gonna get that best sound versus an in-ear design, but I gotta tell you something. Soundpeats has actually made these sound very, very good. So good, in fact, that I would also argue, like I did for the QCY earbuds, that these are arguably in the same caliber as in-ear earbuds. The detail is nice. You have your low and mid end, which is emphasized. The mids are emphasized. The treble is in there, but it's not over pronounced and it's not overwhelming. Your bass is enhanced with the dynamic EQ. It's punchy, but it doesn't have that sub bass effect because of that open design. The high end is slightly kind of not as overtuned or feeling as if it could be present, but it's still in there, but it's hard to make out. These are more emphasized on the mids, which is still, in my opinion, a better sound profile. And honestly, considering that they are open ear and they sound this good is shocking. Even AirPods don't sound this good. And trust me when I say this, if you compare the two of them, you will know the difference. I've tested these with the AirPods 4 and the newer AirPods with active noise canceling, the open ones. And even I gotta say, these things sounded better than those, and that says a lot. Now, one thing to mention is that it does have spatial audio. It's an EQ setting which will allow the headphones to turn on the surround sound and make it feel like you have a nice experience. And it actually is a good effect. A lot of people say it's a gimmick. I'm starting to see the benefits of spatial audio with these headphones. So when it comes to the sound quality, perfect. That's all I can say. Perfect. Last thing to talk about is the app support. The app support is exactly what you would expect from Soundpeat. They do a really good job of really giving that experience and doing a phenomenal job altogether when it comes to the experience. You have your EQs, you have your adaptive audio, dynamic EQ, you also have the option for game mode, the controls, you also have other features in there as well. You can toggle the microphone, firmware updates, find my device, which is a great feature to have now, and lastly, you get your battery status. Now, the touch controls on these are customizable, but they are a little touch sensitive, so I think that they can improve on that with a firmware update, making it less touch sensitive. But again, if you just turn it off, you don't have to worry about it, and I kind of end up doing it because I do have to adjust it sometimes. But all in all, that's the app support, and it's what you would expect from Soundpeat. So overall, what do I think of these headphones? Now listen, guys, like I said before, I am not an open earbud user. I prefer in-earbuds, but after using these for some while, I can honestly say that the PearlClips Pro are a phenomenal pair of headphones. I don't know what exactly makes them pro, no offense, but taking the Pro name out of it, it actually did a really good job, and I actually was impressed with the quality, the charging, the sound, the features, the microphone. The only negative that I would have is that I wish for me, I would like to see them maybe fix the touch sensitivity of the touch controls. I would also like to see them add a high-res audio codec, something I've mentioned in the past before. And lastly, while I like the idea of open earbuds, I think that these clip ones, there is some room for improvement. I would like to see them have some extra grips or something you could put inside your ear so it stays locked in, so that way it doesn't move all over the place. But with that being said, these are actually a really good pair of headphones, and if you're in the market for open ears, I actually recommend them because honestly, these are comparable to in-ear buds, and you're saving a ton of money, and you're also doing justice for your ears because it's less damage over time when you stick things in your ear, which again is debatable, but all I can say is these are absolutely a must-have, and I highly recommend it. So I will leave a link in the description for you guys to check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Again, apologies if it's not my usual audio reviews. I'm still currently got some stuff going on behind the scenes that I'm working on, guys, so the show will be back. The live episodes and everything will be back shortly. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you dislike the video, you can hit the dislike button. That helps circulate my videos as well. As always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next episode. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Take care, stay safe, have a good day, and peace!